Hello, everyone. Today we are going to study biology from the basics. But before that, why should we study biology? See, biology is not just about books and microorganisms. Instead, it deals with living organisms, our body functions, and the processes of life. It helps us in the diagnosis and treatment of diseases, and it is connected with almost every aspect of our life.
The word biology is derived from two Greek words, bios, meaning life, and logos, meaning study. Therefore, biology means the study of life. Biology is the branch of science that deals with living organisms, such as plants, animals, human beings, and microorganisms. It helps us understand how living things grow, how they breathe, how they reproduce, how they obtain food, and how they interact with their environment.
Now, let's understand who is known as father of biology and why. Aristotle is known as father of biology because he was the first person to categorize living organisms systematically and scientifically. Now we will discuss about cell. Cell is discovered by Robert Hooke. Robert Hooke was an English scientist born in 1635. He is famous for discovering cells. In 1665, Robert Hooke observed a thin slice of cork, bark, under a simple microscope. While observing the cork, he saw many tiny box-like compartments. These compartments looked like small rooms of a monastery. He named them cells. This was the first time the word cell was used in biology. Robert Hooke published his observations in his famous book called Micrographia. His discovery became the foundation of dead cell biology. Remember, dead cell, not live cell, and later helped in the development of the cell theory. Robert Hooke also improved microscopes and contributed to many fields of science. Therefore, Robert Hooke is remembered as an important scientist in the history of biology.
By this time, the microscope had been improved. As a result, in 1674, a Dutch scientist, Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, discovered free-living cells in pond water for the first time. Later, in 1831, Robert Brown discovered the nucleus in the cell.
After the discovery of cells by Robert Hooke and live cells by Antonie van Leeuwenhoek, scientists began studying cells deeply. In 1838, Matthias Schleiden stated that all plants are made of cells. Later in 1839, Theodor Schwann said that animals are also made of cells. Then, in 1855, Rudolf Virchow added an important idea. All cells arise from pre-existing cells.
In 1838, Matthias Schleiden stated that all plants are made up of cells, and cell are structural and functional unit of life. In 1839, Theodor Schwann concluded that all animals are also made up of cells and structural and functional unit of life. Later, in 1855, Rudolf Virchow explained cell division and proposed that all cells arise from pre-existing cells. After conclusion of these three scientists, and this is how cell theory formed. You like this video? Like, share, and subscribe to EasyBook by Ram.